So I am upgrading my digital wall clock. I've got a typical analog round clock, and I thought I would go ahead and get this because it tells me the time, the temperature, the month and the date, and so much more. In this video, what I want to do is show you all the features. We're going to look on the back too and show you how to actually set it. I can actually install this, so let's go ahead and get started. So the clock itself is actually 8 inches across. And we've got nice large letters here. These are just a little bit over 2 inches, which I really like. And it tells me the temperature. Of course, we've got Monday through Sunday listed right through here. We also have the month and the date. Now all the settings are right here on the back. We've got 6 buttons, everything from the temperature, the time, auto daylight savings time. You can set the alarm. Now this is a battery compartment. So it does come with batteries already, and they provide 4 AA batteries. They also provide a little screwdriver to go ahead and just change out the cover. And we've also got a little bit of hardware if you want to go ahead and mount it on a wall too. And this is your alarm speaker. So you can definitely hear that when it goes off. And so let's go ahead, let me just show you, I'm gonna press some of these buttons and just kind of show you what it looks like on the front. So we can do 12 or 24-hour clocks. So right now it says 3:05. Now it's going to be 15:05. And then up at the temperature, you can have it, of course, Celsius or even Fahrenheit. Now, when you want to change any of these settings, you can just press the time setting button, and it's going to go ahead and just kind of cycle through the hours, the minutes, even the year. And then we've got the month and the date too. Now, as you're changing the month and the date, that's going to go ahead and actually change all these automatically for you. So I've got the alarm going off right now. So that's a pretty good loudness of it. So I could definitely hear that in say if I was sleeping, it would definitely wake me up in the morning so I could go ahead and do whatever I need to do for that day. So this is a great clock, whether you want to put it on a wall or on a shelf. I do like that it is cordless. It comes with its own battery pack, so that way you don't have a cord running down the back of a shelf or down the wall. We've got 6 easy buttons to go ahead and set all these features, from the time, temperature, the day of the week, I mean, even the year, and also we've got the temperature and of course the clock right here in very large letters, so it makes it really easy to read. Just real nice at 8 inches, not thick at all, doesn't take up much room, and it always comes in handy to have an extra clock around the house. Hope you found this review helpful.